Dear friends, after a few mishaps this morning, little ones, but just enough to bust somebody's nerves. It's kind of like getting out of the hotel today. My neck was kind of giving me, and then I read the signs twice wrong and wound up paying tolls, and then all of a sudden it seemed like my car was having, just 2 minutes ago, was having another electric breakdown as it did last Monday, but then it started again. I don't know, but anyway, I'm just entering Tuscany. I left Liguria, which is where I guess Genoa and La Spezia is, and going kind of like east now, south and southeast into Tuscany, which includes, I guess, Pisa, and of course Florence.